her playing over my house with Tiffany. She's a lost dog. We're not really her owner. Trying to find her home. See where he's watching. We really think she could be hurt.
Dad, get me!
Dog just went in this big puddle.
Really, take a picture.
I did.
I'm gonna jump over.
No, right.
She's doing a little jacuzzi. We have to really get in her in the bath.
Okay, come on. Come on. Let's get a bath. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, God!
Really? Come on. Come on. I think she got hot.
Huh. Yeah, she probably did.
Yeah, maybe she did got hot.
It's really cute, but still a little muddy.
Yeah, she likes skin dirty.
I guess. Hold on.
Lucy, now she's eating glass.
No, she doesn't. Look at her. She's all muddy. She's got a big puddle of mud. Get back. Ooh. Away from his love. This is the first vlog on the dog. There's, I don't know, this other ones. We saw a cardinal or what is she? Back and the dog's going to take a
Gotta get perfect temperature.
Worm.
Yeah, you think this is good. Well, we're out of that. Thank you for watching the vlog with the dog. I know it's a little short. That's because it's the first episode. Wait for more.
Her back like this. Her back. There you go.
She likes this. She likes it. She likes this. She likes it. She likes it. She likes it.
Don't eat soap. It's not good for you.
All right.